What's up, my crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin got a huge bounce of over $1,000 from the $28,700 range. One of the main reasons, well, of course, this was the value area high from the price action in between March and June, as you can see here on the chart. Now, what is next? We're going to talk about what happened. This is the 50-minute time frame. We can see this price action over here claiming the low and getting that bounce. We were very much aware of that price action in the Legends community yesterday to take advantage of this potential $1,000 bounce, okay? Some people getting into that trade making massive gains. Today, we're going to talk about, is this move to the upside legit? Is there enough volume? Are we going to continue up? And we're talking about the strongest levels to pay attention in the next coming days, guys, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. Let's dive in here straight into the Bitcoin chart, guys, and we're going to talk about those important levels here in the next coming minutes. But first of all, let's understand the structure that we created here for the last few weeks, where we were creating higher highs, okay, and higher lows, and then suddenly we were creating those lower lows, breaking a bit of this structure, and lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. What has happened with this pump is that we've created a higher high, as you can see on the chart. Is this legit? Is there enough volume here for this to continue to the upside? As we can see the volume here creating massive lower highs, then suddenly at the lows, we're starting to create high on the volume. So this is a really good sign. The bulls do have a chance to go to higher levels, all right? So why did we bounce from this zone? Well, like I said at the intro, okay, we did have the value area high of this trading range in between March and June, as you can see, several months here. That value area high where there's a lot of volume just got that bounce very nicely at the $28,800 range. So we were talking about this descending wedge structure as well, okay? As you can see here on the price action, we were talking about the descending wedge scenario. We have broken out. There is a little spike in volume, as you can see on the chart. So the volume is actually going up. Volume was going down since we were having this downtrend, this corrective wave. Volume is going lower and lower. Now the volume is going up, as you can see. This is a great sign for the bulls. This means that continuation to the upside is very much possible as we've broken the structure, the downward structure here, creating lower lows, lower highs, lower low. This is a new higher high, okay? We need to understand this. Yes, I need to repeat stuff because people don't get it the first time. They might get it the second or the third. We are very much aware also on a live stream that I did talk about on yesterday was basically this possible scenario. In the Legends community, we were very much aware of this trade setup, okay? In the Legends community, yes, I am in that trade, as you can see, at $28,700 range. If you want to join the Legends community, you have the link down below, guys. Great information, great setups for Bitcoin, great education, answer questions, okay? You have the link down below if you want to join a profitable team. You got it down below, guys. I also want to jump here with the World Series of Trading. 271 people already. Make sure to join my team, guys, because this year we're going to absolutely crush it. There's 8 million US dollar tether of prize pool for the top 10 teams. Last year we did pretty good, ranked 20, up and down a few ranks. But this year we're going to do our best to get a piece of the cake. You got the link also down below to join my team. If you haven't got a Bybit account, make sure to create one. You got the link also in the description where you get $30,000 worth of bonus depending on what you deposit. Join my team now, guys, because we're going to absolutely crush it. There's only 5 days left and the competition is going to start. Diving in here, is this legit? There was a lot of people on a live stream yesterday at this certain range that were saying we're going down to 27K, maybe even lower. You know, we're capitulating. We were ready for this scenario, guys. We were ready. I'm in the long position, taking profits already here at the 29,600 range, almost $1,000 pump from my entry. Great profits. We could go higher. Then this trade is already a winning trade. It is protected. We're going to move on to the next trade setups for today and tomorrow, of course. We are very much aware of that in the Legends community. Now, Is this legit? Are we going to go to higher levels? Let's understand that we're going to start facing some resistance zones. We are getting rejected from this point right now. Let me just give you that brief explanation. I love the fixed volume profile because fixed volume profile gives you those value area high and low ranges where there's high volume. It's a block of volume, and the value area low of this trading range, as you can see, is just round about the 29,900, where we just got that wick and had this a little bit of a corrective move. No problem with that. Now, what is the strongest resistance zones? Well, of course, the point of control also is very strong, where we do have a weekly level. It's a weekly close and open that we do have that hasn't been tapped here, which is round about that $30,200 range. Very interesting zone here. It's another potential take profit too from the long position. Why is it a take profit too? Well, basically because we have broken structure. It is very much worth having 20%, 30% open from that long position here, just in case we do get that next leg up to hit this strong resistance zone. That would be a take profit too for me. If the price comes down, stops me out at break even, it doesn't matter. It's a winning trade. We have very good risk management and we are very selective with our entries. Now, talking about this scenario, what happens if we do come up here to this level, weekly level, point of control from this range? We got several lower highs right there. Is it going to be a liquidity grab, or are we going to smash through that level? It's just a matter of time, guys. I haven't got a crystal ball. I know how to react once that price action happens. So once we hit that zone, we'll be analyzing the situation. I will be guiding the Legends community to see, hey, is it a good opportunity? Can we have good risk management? Can we have a plan? Then we'll get into the trade. Now, remember, we could smash through those levels. It is definitely a possibility. We could move here to the upside and then we're smashing through the level. So we do not want to be caught on a short with no risk management and getting a big, massive loss. We are very selective with our stop loss. What I want to see here, of course, is a rejection, a consolidation. Then we know that the bulls are very exhausted and the volume going lower and lower. I do not want to see some large spikes in volume here, green candles facing this level, because then I'm going to think, hey guys, this is probably not a good short position and we're going to go to higher levels, potentially to the next level of resistance, which would be that value area high of this trading zone. If we do take a look at Fibonacci retracement from the pivot high to the pivot low, you can see that that value area high is around about the 61865 zone. That would be a clear resistance zone. Next level to see if it's worth shorting the market. High volume, we start breaking through those levels and hitting them with high volume. No shorts will be taken, guys. We as traders, we look for longs and shorts every single day. We look at both scenarios in the Legends trading community. We're not only extremely bullish or extremely bearish, we bullish and bearish at the same time, because we know how to react to certain price action to get into that great opportunity. So those are the levels, guys. In a nutshell, yes, we could get rejected from that point of control of the zone, weekly level. We're just going to have to see carefully how we hit those levels. Now, if we do move higher, then we go to the value area high, 30,700. Let's see how the price action is going to react at that zone. People do not know how to enter a trade with very good risk management. A lot of people, this is why a lot of people lose money trading. Risk management is the number one thing. A lot of people need guidance, okay? This is why I do have the community group, of course, to give a little bit of guidance on how we can trade properly and profit from the market. What if this was it? What if this is just a fake pump? This is not enough volume to go to higher levels and we're going to start crashing down. Well, of course, that is definitely a possibility. What would be an insane red flag here would be dipping below the low that was created yesterday, which is around about 28,550. If the price starts climbing down here with high volume, it is not going to be looking good for Bitcoin. We could definitely crash down to much lower levels. Of course, there is a possibility here in creating a higher low that we are looking for here in the Legends community. So we are just paying attention. We are already in a long position. If we start gaining strength here, then of course we could be adding to the position and profiting more from this market. Not much more to be said, guys, in this episode. Remember to join one of the best profitable trading teams, which is the Trading Legends. I'll be leaving the link down below, guys. We're going to get a piece of that prize pool of $8 million Tether. And you have the community to join, guys, if you want those daily updates and that guidance to get into those great trading setups we have here on Money Shots. Some great trades from the community entering exactly at that $28,700 range. I mean, look at Simon, absolutely sniper trade here in the Legends community. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.